Your end users may access the system from time zones that differ from the location of your HaPBX installation. This is the reason why the system allows you to set voicemail time zones, ensuring each user receives the correct timestamp on their voicemail messages. To do this, we must go to Settings, Voicemail Settings, and then Voicemail Time Zones. First, you must enter the name of the voicemail time zone you want to create and select the time zone to apply. Use the voicemail time zone option to create and choose the appropriate time zone. Next, we look at the time definition. This is what will be played back in the envelope for the voicemail message a caller leaves us. The supported values are listed below. A file name enclosed in single quotes represents any asterisk sound file to be played. The file name must be placed between single quotes and in the exact casing of the file without the file extension. $var inside curly brackets is a variable substitution. You can use any variable from the voicemail email template, such as $VM_SIDNAME inside curly braces, $VM_SIDNAME inside curly braces, etc. Capital A or lowercase a will give you the day of the week. Uppercase B, lowercase b, or lowercase h will give you the month name. Lowercase d or lowercase e will give you a numeric day of the month. Uppercase Y will give you the year. Uppercase I will give you the hour in a 12-hour format. Uppercase H will give you the hour in a 24-hour format, preceded by O. Uppercase K will give you the hour in a 24-hour format, not preceded by O. Uppercase M will give you the minute with 00 pronounced as o'clock. Uppercase N will give you the minute with 00 pronounced as 100, similar to U.S. military time. Uppercase P or lowercase p will give you AM or PM. Uppercase Q is used for today, yesterday, or uppercase A, uppercase B, lowercase d, and uppercase Y, with their respective conversions. Keep in mind that this is not standard STRF times. Uppercase R will give you 24-hour time, including the minutes. In HaPBX, we already have several voicemail time zones for Eastern, Central, Central 24, Military, and European. Here is an example of a time definition. Eastern Time Zone, America/New York, with a time definition of VM received, Q digits /@ inside of single ticks, followed by IMP. This reads in the GMT-0500 time zone as voicemail received today at 11:45 a.m.